ship. But it'll take a while getting used to the humidity, you know. Does the captain have to do a speech?
It's working on it now.
He hates giving speeches.
You know, it doesn't make every effort to take credit.
Yeah. And we like something we're offering, not taking credit.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up guys, it's Dara here. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn on the huge thumbs up. Today guys, as you can see, I got this from the mail. It's been art piece crafted out. I got it from Shopee. And yeah, this is gonna be really cool. They only have one stock left, and this is what I got. I hope I get something in here, something really cool in here. So let's pop this up. Pop it out. So I got this on the mail, but really at my front door. How did they get into my house actually? But yeah, I got this from my front door now. Let's cut this out. Just take this piece out. You guys can take a peek first. So as you can see, I got some stuff. This is our first one. That's our second one. Let's see. Our third one. Oh look, and they also gave us a squishy. Maybe a jumbo squishy that is considered as to order. And then it says here there's only 1% chance to get a legendary. Wow, only 1% chance. I see everybody all get a percent chance. And maybe what's this? Oh, what is this? Let's see what's in this area. I found something. First off, fidget toy popping. 4 buttons. It's called 4 buttons, okay. This is common, which is pink. Simple dip. Uncommon is purple. Simple dimple. The actual simple dimple is rare. This is ultra rare. Doesn't have a name, that's kind of pretty bad, I guess. And the legendary is all concert. Wow. So let's wrap this up again and find some more. If there's more. See. Another one. Still one more here. Right, there's nothing in here, so we're gonna keep it back for now. Got this. So now we are going to be opening this surprise. We're going to be opening all of these surprises. And yeah, let's get to it. So the first one, we get this. So let's cut it out. I need a scissor, please. Okay, that's good. That's good enough. Okay, now let's go ahead and cut this up. I hope I didn't actually cut it. Oh, look at what I got. Okay, let's get something that hell is coming. Let's see what I got. I got the 4 buttons. It's really cool in here. Then you volume up. I gave this puppet a fidget 10 out of 10 because of the noises. Time for the second one. I need a scissors, please. Alright, I guess put it in the other way. Let's open it up. Ooh, I wonder what is this? It's a super dimple. And as well, this is cool. This is really cool. Oops. This is really cool. Turn your volume up. I gave this one I think I would give this one like 9 out of 10 because it's so similar to the Forbans. And I am giving this 9 out of 10. And now we get this one. This is kind of pretty big, and I feel something that's kind of small. Why do you have to put it into the small one? Okay, let's cut it out.